Hey guys, welcome back to another my YouTube channel. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for every new video on my YouTube channel. Today my video topic is 15 passive income idea to build your wealth in 2026. Okay, time are thought rising inflation and stagnation and wages and the increasing cost of living are stretching bank account. Then, if you have found yourself thinking, I need to make more money, you are not alone. Fortunately, a passive income offers a way to boost your wealth outside your 9 to 5 job. But before we dive into the ideas, it's important to understand what passive income really means. Real means. What is passive income? The focus here is on the word passive or having thing happen to you. So in the context of passive income, you are receiving money without doing anything. However, this is a bite of a stretch as getting started. It usually involves an investment of money, time, or both. The investment can vary greatly depending on your passive income ideas. For instance, will some ideas require upfront capital. It is possible to generate passive income with no initial funds. The catch being that this path often requires you to have experience as a skill set or be willing to learn something new. Who ultimately will the start can be thought of it about earning money with little day to day involvement of management with that basic understanding. And let's get into the top passive income ideas for 2026. This is a 10 passive income idea in 2026. uh, ETFs, bonds, high yield saving account, uh, dividing and dividend stock, online real estate, private equity, affiliate marketing, invest in loan, crypto staking, money market funds, selling stock, photography, renting out item you on, creative and sale digital courses, cashback and reward app, budget for passive income. Okay, first number is exchange traded funds. ETF, exchange trading funds are a popular option for those looking to generate passive income. They provide an easy way to invest in a diverse and diversified portfolio of assets such as stock, bonds of commodities, unlike actively managed funds. ETFs usually track and index passive management, resulting in lower management fees, which can lead to higher net return for investors. What make ETC a particular effective for passive income is that the allow you to invest in a fund that already contain a broad a broad selection of tech. For example, if you are interested in tech complaints like app, Meta and Nvidia, rather than choosing individual stock, you can invest in a tech ETF. This not only simplify the process of diversifying in your investment across multiple campaign, reducing risk, but also make managing your portfolio easier, easier and more cost effective. Okay. Number two is bond. Bond are an attractive choice for people looking to increase their passive income. Bonds typically pay regular interest now as coupon and payment will which can provide a reliable income stream. This type of assist can be a simple path to investing for beginners, as they are typically less volatile, offering a predictable income flow. There are also platforms that provide a conven, convent and affordable way to get at exposure to specific bond and build a well diversified and diversified build build a well diversified portfolio tailored to their risk tolerance and passive income goal. You can get a better understanding of bonds here. Okay. And number three is high yield saving account. If you have money sitting idea over whether in emergency fund or a regular back account, uh, it's worth considering a high yield saving account uh, in, instead instead of letting your fund do nothing or over time. High yield saving account often after higher interest rate compared to traditional saving account, provide a steady stream of passive income without the need for active management or explore expose us to high risk. Okay, next one is number four. And depending stock. And depending stock are shares in companies that distribute a portfolio of their portfolio profit to shareholders as a dividend 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 that the this is a popular strategy for generating passive income. Become use become this payment provide a regular income stream, often on a quality basis. They the key investment the key benefit is the is that simply owner honor the stock qualities your for our dividends payout. Okay. And number five is online real estate, and number six is privately equity, and number seven is affiliate marketing, or number eight loan, number nine crypto trading, and number 10 money market fund, number 11 trading stock photography, 12 return but we're returning out item you own, and number 13 create and sell digital courses, number 14 cashback and rewards app, and 15th budgeting for our passive income. Okay. And invest and earn passive income. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon for every new video. Okay. Next time. See you. Goodbye.